Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to place emphasis on simplifying algebraic expressions. There are 10 questions in this video. I will ask you to only view the first 10 slides. Those are the questions. Once you have completed attempting all of the questions, then you should move forward. Thank you for adhering to my rule. Number 1. Which of the following is equivalent to y plus y plus y plus y? There will be 4 options for each of the questions. Your task will be to write the question down, write the answers, and then circle the one that you believe is the correct answer. You may pause this video at any point in order to be able to write the questions and the options for the answers. So I'm going to take you through, okay? And you may pause whenever you deem it necessary. I strongly encourage you to make notes on areas of concerns or those areas you need further clarity on for our group discussion. You may also comment below this exact video and I will respond to you as soon as possible to the best of my knowledge and ability. And our last question, number 10, we want to simplify this expression. So here is where you will pause. And after you would have completed all 10 questions and identified all of your answers, then you will proceed, okay, to our answers. Number 1, A is the correct answer. Number 2, C is the correct answer. Number 3, D is the correct answer, and so on. Lastly, number 10.